I want to deconstruct a little bit on the tech side. And the question is this: are you a really advanced technology company who happens to deliver groceries, or are you a grocery company that uses technology as a means to an end?
100% the first.
So definitely you see yourself as a tech company.
Totally.
And then in that, when you make comments about the talent and the scalability, I mean, what we're saying is that you're Google level, investment in terms of the people that you want to have in that company. So that piece I think is fundamental for a lot of companies to hear. So I'm going to say it loud so they understand it. The investment that you make in technology, if you're a tech company, is like it's the highest value investment you should be making, right?
If you look at, so let's say a non-tech company, a more sales-driven company, a good salesperson is maybe twice as good as the average salesperson. In technology, a good engineer or a very talented, top-notch AAA engineer is 10 times as good as. And that is, on the longer run, so important because they make better software, better solutions, better algorithm, better maintenance of the software. They stimulate each other to make the best. They have their blog posts. They share their code online. You attract more people. So it is really vital that you find those people. And I remember in the very first couple of months that we were building the team. Of course, we had Daniel Gale, our CTO, which is already a pretty good start, I would say.
Where did he come from before? How did you recruit him?
He came also from the company where Joris and Frederick had, so a software company. So they knew him quite well. PhD in informatics, which also helps. Very bright and a very good business sense as well. So that's all very nice. But when we started to recruit one of our first, let's say, analyst engineers, it was Joris, not the Joris, the founder, but another Joris. 21-year-old mathematics student, cum laude, etc. That worked, and then he came in and we said, "Listen, we're going to do last mile, completely different than everybody else. We have this milkman round. We do that's it. So could you have a look at the algorithms that we are now using because we sort of had an external company made the first ones, and then he went over to this company, and he came back after a couple of hours, and he said, "Yeah, I wasn't too impressed." And he said, "Oh, come on, Joris, you just graduated. These guys have been doing this for 50 years. Come on, calm down. What's happening?" Well, he said, "Yeah, well, first of all, they made these algorithms 50 years ago as a start for trucks, etc. And there's still a bit inside this algorithm that is still relating to that. Of course, they make it also for delivery vans, but there's still something inside. And we've got an electrical vehicle that drives 45 km an hour. So that's one. And secondly, he said, they are counting in minutes." And I said to him, "Well, minutes sounds quite good, sounds quite precise." I said, "Of course not. You should count in seconds." Well, that's exactly the type of people that you want, that are so extremely ambitious themselves to really make it a lot better than it was there before. So he designed a new algorithm that was 8% better than anything there to be found worldwide.